Metals started to show signs of bullishness here. Silver hitting 33.40, 33.60 zone. I have mentioned this is going to remain a critical resistance zone, and likewise with gold, we have seen it moving towards 30.24, 26 levels, the next target levels. I hope you all profited with the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Now, what with the US session? How to profit? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. What's happening on the early chart? See, this was the single line drop, and since then gold has been trading with the swings. You can see slightly higher lows, you can see slightly lower highs. This is the zone of consolidation, and now it is very important for gold to trade pass by 30.30 and then 30.36, 38. These are the two levels which are going to hold critical for gold for the next move. And see, if you look at the move here, what's happening? Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Bigger rise, it could follow with a bigger retracement. How low? Yes, 30.14, 30.15 should be the first support, 30.10 should be the next. As long as 30.10 is respected, do not treat gold as bearish here. Yes, you can take a sell at 30.20, but be careful at around 30.16, 30.14 and then 30.10 zone, only below which you can expect slight bearishness. Stochastic getting overbought. MACD crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI running flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, is similar observation here. And this is a third rise, and yes, this could deliver a breakout as well. So if you see it is staying above 30.26, 30.30 levels, you can initiate a buy and expect it to move towards 30.36, 38 levels. Moving averages though have crossed over on the sell side here. The stochastic rising, the MACD after retracing towards the bottom has crossed over, now looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is rising as well. And on the 3 hour, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts, drop, consolidation, a rise here. And notice what's happening also, you should see this. See, after this good run and this consolidation at 29.83,000, we have seen slight retracement, and now it is on the verge of a breakout. So yes, if it stays above 30, 30, 32 and then 30, 36, 38, you can stay bullish with the gold here. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is rising. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. Metals trying to gain the lost grounds here. See what has happened here. First drop, then the retracement, second drop, then the retracement, third drop, then the retracement, fourth drop, then the retracement. And now every time it is tried to retrace, it is followed with a pullback. And now this is at a critical junction, because once it breaks beyond 30, 32, 30 and then 30, 36, 38, you can call this as a reverse. Right now it is struggling here, though it is trading bullish, but I can see a little struggle here at around 30, 24, 26. Stochastic rising, MACD trading bearish, trying to converge, RSI looking upwards. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, very important to note, see after a reversal sign, one red candle has appeared, second red candle has appeared, but you can also see this is delivered higher lows, and today it is started on a flat note. It is trying to gain the grounds what is it is lost yesterday, and it is trying to recover. A move beyond 30, 30 30 32 zone and then 30, 36, 38 should invite more bulls here, or else possibly also it can still reverse. As long as it respects 30, 30, 30, 32, it can still reverse and take a hit here. Right now the stance is not bearish, it is trying to rise, it is trying to bounce back. And on the downside till 3000 at least we should be cautious with the sells. That is pretty clear here. Even if you are taking a selling entry at 30.20, we have to be cautious, it can bounce back up again. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is in, it has shown signs of convergence but not yet crossed over. Wait for this crossover to happen. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. So considering this, I will recommend a buy at 30.26.5. Expect 30, 30, 30, 32 as the first target zone, 36, 36, 38 as the next. And if these two levels are taken, possibly we are looking forward to 30.44 and 30.50, 52. Once these levels are taken, this time we are looking at again the record levels 30.62. It can create another higher highs 30.62, 64 and in fact 30.80 levels, chances for which appears to be less here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 30.20 levels. Expect 30.16, 30.14 as the first target zone, 30.10.08 as the next, and then 3000, 3002. If at any point of time gold trades below 3000, 3002, stay short. We are looking forward to 29.80 possibly, and below which you can expect a greater correction. Any point of time gold trades below 29.80, 84, you can expect a greater correction all the way towards 29.60, 29.50 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver, and before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries, And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Moving on to silver, see what silver is doing here. First of all, yesterday we have seen slight swings and now it has come down to the first resistance zone 3040, and as I have discussed today morning that 3040 3060 is going to offer a maximum resistance for silver, and now if you see it is staying above 3060, we can expect it 3360. Once it trades above 3360, you can expect it to move all the way towards 3385 $34 levels possibly. What is happening here, every retracement towards 20 period gets a little support and it tries to bounce back, and that is what is happening now again. Now see, this was the slight rise, this was a bigger rise, and this time if it bounces back it can deliver a bigger rise all the way towards 30 40 34 50 $35 levels. Stochastic has dropped to the bottom trying to rise. The MACD, despite the crossover and the sell side, it is now trying to converge here, trying to deliver a bullish candle. RSI rising, signs are still supportive for further bullish. But before coming to the daily charts, let's also have a look at the hourly chart. What's happening on the hourly charts? Rise, retracement, bigger rise, it could start to retrace. It is almost at the peak of it, and the retracement might take it all the way towards 33 again. So now if you see it is staying below 33.30, you can take a sell and expect it to move towards 33.15 and $33 levels, which are going to remain the prime support for the day. But when you look at the move here, see, after staying bearish, now the moving averages are converging and it is trying to erase the losses from this. That is, it may aspire to achieve 3360 levels, beyond which certainly the bulls will be back here. The stochastic getting overbought while the MACD and RSI both are showing a rise. Coming to the 2-hour, on the 2-hour chart, similar observation here, rise retracement, and the second rise it could possibly, because the current levels are good for beginning of a retracement. If it is bearish, it has to reverse from the current levels. And does this mean as long as 3360 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys here? The stochastic, the moving average is trying to converge, the stochastic getting overbought, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. And if you look at the RSI, this is rising as well. Coming to 3-hour, look at the 3-hour charts here. Yes, rise, retracement, rise, drop, retracement, drop, and now again trying to rise. It is almost at the peak of it, and the current levels are definitely going to be decisive. Here the silver need to decide whether it needs to break out beyond 3360 or not. And now once it breaks beyond 3360, that is the point of time you can confirm that the bulls are back. And from there possibly we are looking forward to 33.85 $34 levels, and beyond 34 it is going to deliver extreme bullish move here. The stochastic back to overbought levels, the MACD is resting at the bottom, it has now crossed over, looking upwards, staying bullish, good sign for the bulls here as well. The RSI is rising. Coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Moving averages, despite showing a sell cross, it is trying to bounce back, it is trying to rise. It appears that double bottom, so it might move towards double top, and this is going to be the zone which is going to be the caution zone for silver, that is 3360 to 3280 levels. And yes, beyond 3360 is where the bulls will be taking over, and specifically any move beyond 34 is a clear sign of prevailing bullishness, where 34.50 levels, $35 levels can be seen. Stochastic rising, MACD hitting the bottom, it is crossed over, good sign for the bulls, and RSI is rising again. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. And yes, the daily charts we have already seen. We have seen a consolidation. We have seen the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Bands offering it a greater support, and thus 33 and rather I will say 3290 levels have become a greater support for silver for the day. As long as 3290 is respected, you should be careful with the sells here, and below which you can expect greater correction, and then you can expect 32.75 32.50 and in fact $32 levels. Right now the stance is pretty much bullish, looking upwards. The stochastic rising, the MACD, despite the crossover on the sell side, it is not showing signs of bearishness. RSI rising. So considering this, very simple, buy at 33.60-65, expect 33.85 $34 levels as the first target. Any move beyond 34 is a clear sign of stronger momentum on the upside. This might take silver all the way towards 34.25 34.50 and in fact $35 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3290 levels, but these are far below. You can wait for it to trade in fact below 3330. You can take a sell there, expect 3315 33 3290 3275. Below 3275 is stay with the sells. 3250 $32 levels should be there very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with lot much of updates with precise levels, and thus watching the video, definitely it will give you a clear idea on how to profit and where to enter, where to exit, where to profit. Do not miss to watch the first update every day. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Group session. Thank you.